schools for tonight's show. Maggotty High from St. Elizabeth up against Titchfield High from Portland. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Maggotty High is represented this evening by Kamal Gray, Kamaya Campbell, Chrisany Vassell, and team captain Tajani Brown. While Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Orlando Lee, Quayne Smith, and team captain Alex Anderson. Hello and welcome to the third and final match in this quarterfinal series. Titchfield High won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead. Maggotty High responded and won the second match. Tonight, it's win or go home for the other team, while the victor taking a place in the semi-finals. Welcome to Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move into the semi-final round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to go first, so we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. I see we have that time on the clock, so we'll begin right away. Titchfield, with Jamaican heritage, complete the Jamaican proverb. Every bickle fin yam.
And everyone for Dashway.
And everyone for Dashway.
Now every story fit talk. Jamaican heritage for Maggotty. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Empty bag can't stand up.
By itself. By itself.
No, full bag can't bend. International affairs for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Paraguay.
Paraguay.
You're on the board. International affairs for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed now.
Uruguay.
That's right. French for Titchfield. What does the verb marcher mean in English?
To walk.
To walk.
Or to function. That's right. French for Maggotty. What does the verb nager mean?
To swim.
Good. Art for Titchfield. Which 15th century Italian created the painting Lamentation of Christ?
1400s. How about the old?
Leonardo da Vinci.
No, Andrea Mantegna. Art for Maggotty. Which member of the 16th century Venetian school painted the famous oil on canvas Bacchus and Ariadne?
Leonardo da Vinci.
No, Tiziano Vicelli or Tatian. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer.
Who's talking this and that? Well, give me all you got and don't hold.
Pharrell Williams.
Pharrell Williams.
That's right. Music from Maggotty. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
On our toes, trying on all our clothes, boys blowing up our phones.
Fergie.
No, it's Kesha. Biology at Titchfield. What is the name for the condition in which the human body's internal environment remains nearly constant?
Homeostasis.
That's right. Biology from Maggotty. Name the thin, transparent skin which is continuous with the lining of the human eyelid and which protects the cornea.
Conjunctiva.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Titchfield. Look at the monitor and identify this actor, please.
Trent Gray.
No, it's Jude Law. Theatre and cinema for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Giancarlo.
That's right. English language for Titchfield. Which six-letter adjective starting with T means hot or stifling?
Terrid.
Sorry?
Terrid.
No, torrid. English language Maggotty. Which seven-letter adjective starting with T means fragile or shaky?
Tumble.
No, tenuous. Sport for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Paul Davis.
No, it's Vassal Reynolds. Sport for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Donovan Duki.
Both local football coaches. That's right. General knowledge for Titchfield. What is the biggest and busiest airport in the Caribbean?
Biggest one in the Caribbean. Probably in Denmark, you know. Alright. La Romana International.
No, it's the Luis Munoz Marin International Airport in San Juan in Puerto Rico. General knowledge for Maggotty. Name one of the countries in the Caribbean that has between 30 and 35 airports.
Cuba.
That's right, they have 30. Domrep has 35. And that is the bell. Well done. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Maggotty High on 6 points, Titchfield High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.